Hello everyone. Should we work out to reduce the medical waste? Hospitals, operation theaters generate a lot of medical waste which need to be disposed properly according to government regulations. Improper disposal of medical waste is crime and it can spread infections to others and can contaminate our environment. As a responsible citizen or good human, it is our responsibility to save our planet without contaminating it. World is moving towards the recycling of resources, but recycling of medical goods are still debatable. There are different ways medical waste can be treated and decontaminated. Incineration is a common approach that can be used to treat and dispose at the same time. But some linens like trolley drapes, surgeons or assistant gowns, towels or patients' clothing can be recycled without compromise if planned properly. To check the quality of sterilization, type 5 integrating indicator is placed inside the drum, which is supposed to be the most resistant area for steam penetration. Now stick the type 1 strip indicator on the top of the surgical drum and label it for the records. Every sterilization process must be documented. Every surgical drum must be prepared in the same way and it should be labeled. Type 5 integrators read all critical variables in the sterilization process, whereas Type 1 strip indicator assesses one or more critical variables. Now open the ventilation pores of the surgical drum for easy entry of the steam. Close the drum properly. Now drums are ready to be sterilized. All indicators must be properly labeled and kept for documentations. Prepare the autoclave. Do the Bovidic test to check the vacuum efficiency of equipment every day before sterilization. How do we do Bovidic test can be seen in my previous videos. Switch on the autoclave. Wait for completion of cycles. It may take an hour. After the whole process, open the autoclave and remove the surgical drums for inspection. Air quality of autoclaving room must be clear and dust-free. After removing the drum, the first step is to close the ventilation holes of the surgical drum to avoid air contamination of the clothings. Storage and transportation of sterilized surgical drums should also be done meticulously. Do not leave them in contaminated environment. Now analyze the color change of type 1 steam chemical indicator placed on the top of surgical drum. Yellow strips must be evenly black, which indicates that proper temperature has been maintained for sufficient time. Type 5 indicators placed inside the drum must be inspected after opening. Even color change indicates the proper exposure of linen with steam for sufficient time. Now sterilized gowns, trolley drapes and other linens are ready for use. They comprise major part of OT waste and by recycling them, we can reduce tons of medical waste every day. Therefore, not only we are saving our environment, but we are also making the surgery less expensive. Proper training of the staff and proper documentation of every sterilization process are key to success. How informative was this video? Please do comment. Critics are also welcomed. Thanks for watching.